Hey everyone and welcome back to my channel, and today is I am going to show you on how to quickly book a hotel room on booking.com. Either you're planning a vacation or just need a place to stay, booking.com makes it super easy. So let's dive into the first thing you need to do here is to of course go to booking.com and you will land on the home page where you can search for your ideal hotel. So as you can see here, we are now in this part where you will be setting up on your check-in and then your check-out, and then you can also type here where are you going. So type the place that you are going to go. So for example, that is this one, and then you can also set up the adults, how many adults, the children, and the room. So after that one is you will be now be looking here in this page is we have a lot of suggestion. So here they have different hotels here, the place that you chose. So booking.com will show you a list of available hotels. So to narrow down the options, you can also use the filters on the left hand side. So you can filter by price, star rating, or the location. So for example, to this is this one. So you'll be taken to the hotels page where you can check out the photos, the guest reviews, and the detailed information about the property. Then after that one, once you've found a hotel you like, scroll down to see the available room options. So each room will have different prices based on amenities or cancellation policies. So as you can see here below, so here you will be now choosing the type of room you want. So here, choose the room you want by clicking the I will reserve. So for example, that is this one. But don't forget to select a room. So here next, you will be directed to this entering the guest details and then the contact info. So here you need to be filling in the guest information. This includes your name, the email address, and sometimes a phone number. So if you have a booking.com account, you can log in to autofill your details. And you can double check it before completing your booking. Review all the details, room type, dates, and the total cost. So make sure everything looks correct. So because we are now be going to the final step, we're in the payment and finalizing the booking. So now it's time to complete the payment, so you can enter your payment details, which can be a credit card or other available methods depending on the hotel. So after that, if you are good to go, as you can see here, you need to enter your card holder name. So, but if you're good to go, guys, you can now click complete booking. So here is the blue button, and that's how you use this app on booking.com.